equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. In this tutorial, we will explore how to enhance the battery life of your Surface Book, focusing on essential maintenance and troubleshooting techniques. First, let's gather the necessary tools. You will need a Torx screwdriver set, a plastic spudger, and some isopropyl alcohol for cleaning. Make sure you have a clean workspace to avoid any damage to your device. Start by powering down your Surface Book and disconnecting it from any power source. Next, using the Torx screwdriver, carefully remove the screws located on the back panel. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. If you find this process daunting, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can always reach out for help. Once the screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging the clips. Once the panel is off, you will see the internal components of your Surface Book. It's crucial to handle everything with care. Now, let's focus on the battery. Check for any dust or debris that may have accumulated around the battery and connectors. Using a soft cloth and isopropyl alcohol, clean these areas gently. This will help improve the battery's connection and overall performance. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get professional help without any hassle. Next, inspect the battery for any signs of swelling or damage. If you notice any irregularities, it's best to replace the battery. We can provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. If everything looks good, reassemble your Surface Book by carefully placing the back panel back on and securing it with the screws you removed earlier. After reassembly, power on your device and check the battery health. You can do this by navigating to the settings and looking for battery usage. It's essential to keep your software updated, as updates often include optimizations for battery performance. To further extend your battery life, consider adjusting your power settings. Lowering the screen brightness and disabling background apps can significantly reduce battery drain. Remember, no calls, no travel. You can manage these settings from the comfort of your home. In conclusion, maintaining your Surface Book's battery is crucial for its longevity and performance. Regular cleaning and careful handling can make a significant difference. If you encounter any issues or prefer professional assistance, don't hesitate to contact us for a hassle-free service. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.